1,31,000 significant figures.
6.
5. Those, why like this behaving? 5. 5. What am this?
3,
Ma,
sir.
30, this 3 zeros does not have any value. Why?
2 only, sir.
Before no decimal is there. So 1 lakh,
Yes, sir.
1,31,000 it is. Just so these 3 zeros are valid or invalid? They are not valid because
Sir.
they are not considered. Yes, brother. Yes, Ra.
Sir, if we put one decimal and after that, if we put 2 zeros means, can we consider that, sir?
Yes, brothers. Now I put suppose here
Sir,
then it is 6 days. That is 6.
200.00 means we can consider that 2 zeros also
No, that's what
significant.
I'm saying, brothers. The zero should come after a non-zero number and after a decimal. Then it is a valid. You understand?
Yes, sir. But here no decimal is there, no.
That's why it is not valid. That's why only the significant figures are how many? Only 3. Clear?
Sir.
Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what. So now, next, this is examples only. Now, next rule number 5. Order of magnitude is never significant. Order of magnitude is never significant. Rule number 5. Order of magnitude is never significant. Order means power. Okay. Order means what? Power it is. For example, 2 power 1 into 10 power 3. How many significant figures? Let me see who will say first. Power is not a significant figure. Then how many significant figures? Only these 2 alone will consider. How many?
2, sir.
2 significant figures. Keep it in mind. The power is called order of magnitude. Next, I will say 2.010 into 10 power 6. Let me see. Be smart. Remember all the rules and tell me. 2.010. How many significant figures? Everybody. Yes, please.
4 significant.
4 significant figures. Clear? See, this 0 is valid because it is starting before, it is trapped between 2 non-zero numbers. And this 0 is valid because before what is there? Before it is decimal is there, as well as before who is there? Somebody is there here. 1. 1 is a what? Non-zero. So it is a valid. So totally how many significant figures?
4.
4. That is what you have to remember. Next. Laksha, can you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, 200. How many significant figures? 200.
1.
1 significant figure. Clear? Now, same 200 I will write like this. 2 into 10 power 2. That is both are 200 only value. Yes or no? How many guys?
1.
1 significant figure. Now, same way, you apply the question when we started beginning. 2.0 kilometer. Now, why only B option is correct? Have you verified everybody? What is the reason, brothers? Because
zeros are not valid, sir.
yes,
Sir,
zeros are not.
magnitude is
Powers
significant.
are not valid. Now, you take in this, how many significant figures? All of you tell me. 2.0, how many significant figures?
1. 2 significant.
1 gone. 1 means gone. 2.0, how many significant
2
figures?
significant.
Yes?
2 significant.
2 significant figures. Understand, Aswita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then this 2000, how many significant figures?
1.
1. So it is not correct. Next, in this, how many significant figures? 1 only. 1 only. Because 0 is before. Understand, Ra? For those, this is a leading 0 here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is leading 0. So leading zeros are invalid. So here also 1 significant figure. So this is also wrong. Then here count it. How many significant figures?
2.
2 significant figures. That is why which option is correct?
B.
Option B. Now, understand, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So that is why it is. Now till now, see whatever we studied, everything is going to be changed slowly. That is what. Till here, rule number 5. Have you all understand? Any doubt?
Yes.
Now 1400. How many significant figures? 1400.
Two.
Two significant figures. I'll write 1.4 into 10 power 2. Sorry, 10 power 3. How many significant figures? Power is not valid. Two significant figures. Understand, Ishali? What happened to Mahalakshmi? I don't know. We have to find, Manya, every rule we have to apply. Understand? We have to apply the rules by remembering. Next, sixth point. This is the last rule, guys. Sixth point, right? Pure numbers are constants. Pure numbers are constants, have infinite significant figures. Infinite significant figures. Who are there? Both pure numbers are constant. Both are having infinite significant figures. That is what you have to remember. So can I say the example? Everybody, for example, you know, let me take a square. So what is the perimeter of the square formula? Perimeter of the square formula. So each side is A. What is the perimeter of a square?
4A.
4A. Then you see we don't know that A. So this is, what is the number of significant figures? This is
Infinity.
infinite significant figures. Clear? Next, area of a cube. What is the area of a cube? If I have taken a cube, area of a cube.
A cube.
A cube. What, ma?
Say square, sir.
That is what Aswita understand difference. 6A square. Be very careful. So then, how many significant figures?
Infinite.
Infinite significant figures. Clear, Ara? Next, C value, speed of light in air, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Constant it is. How many significant figures? Yes, please. Infinite. 1.33 refractive index of water. How many significant figures? Infinite. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you have to remember. So these are the rules. I hope everybody clear with the rules. Everybody 6 rules. Understood or not? Yes? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So be very careful. Next, last rule, rule number 7. While changing the units, number of significant figures remains same. That is the rule number 7. That is only for 2 kilometers also you have to apply. Be very careful. What is that? While changing units means unit conversion. SI to CGS, CGS to some other number of significant figures should not change. Is it okay, guys? Number of significant figures remains same. Now understand, Rudreshwar?
Yes, sir.
So, for example, I'll say 1.5 meter is equals to 150 centimeter. Significant figures same or not? Verified. So number of significant
Yes,
figures in this. Number of significant figures 2. I will write this one as. Can I write this one as 1.5 into 10 power 2? Is it both are same or not? Verified.
Same, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
because power is invalid. So how many significant figures?
2.
That's all. Correct. Next, same way. First question. 2 kilometer. How many significant figures?
2.
Two
Two
significant.
significant figures. Tell me in the powers. 2.0 into 10 power 3 meters. Yes or no? So how many significant figures?
2 significant figures.
2 significant figures. Clear, Ara? Everybody? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anyone can ask. This is what about significant figures. I hope you all understood. Now, next concept, rounding off rules. Rounding off rules. This is also very, very important. Rounding off rules. Based upon this only, we all get NEET questions. You can see that we'll solve many questions after this. So if you are okay, then we'll move that. So we proceed. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Rounding off rules. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Remember that, all of you. This is like a class third concept when we are studying. Okay, that is what. So first question, rounding off two significant figures. Be very careful. We are going to rounding off how many significant figures? JEE, NEET and all like this only they will ask you. Rounding off into two digits, that's all. Two significant figures. Rounding out to two significant figures. So let us see how to do it. So all of you be very careful. We have to rounding up to how many significant figures? Only how many significant figures?
Two.
Two significant figures. The given value is 3.72. Can you rounding off to two significant figures? Fastly. Answer please. Try at least.
3.7.
3.7. How sir? Means remember
Sir,
third digit is less than what?
5.
Less than 5. So to 3.7. Next. Third next 3.76. Significant figures. Fastly brothers.
3.8.
3.8. Because
3.8.
6 is greater than.
5.
Clear? Next. Third significant one. 3.75. Yes.
3.7.
3.8. Because 5 is equals to 5. Then we have to follow. Remember what? All of you. 5 is equals to 5 and it must be followed, remember, followed by non-zero. Then only it is. Is it okay, Rudreswa? Followed by non-zero. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of you? That is what it is. So next one. See, 5 is equals to 5 or 5 greater than 5. Definitely we have to add 1 to the previous digit and we have to rounding off. That is you have to remember. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, next 4.653. Let me see who will say first.
4.7.
4.7. Understood, brothers?
Sir.
Any doubt? Anybody? Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one will make you confused. Now see that. So now here 6 is the what, guys? 6 is the odd number or even number?
Number.
Even number.
number.
Okay, even number. Be very careful. Next one will confuse you all. 3.750. Be very careful. 3.750. So 7 is a what here? 7 is a what here? Odd number. Be very careful. What is the answer?
3.8.
3.8.
3.8. Next. Yeah, 3.8. Next. Sixth question. 3.650. Now tell me what is the answer? Gone.
3.7.
7.
Gone. Gone. What is the rule? Bracket we have written. Third digit is 5, then next what? And followed by. Followed by what? Or
Non-zero.
it must be followed by what, Pradosh?
3.6 only.
It must be followed by
Non-zero.
non-zero. Then what is the answer?
3.6.
Yes, everybody? What is the answer, guys? 3.6 only answer. Clear, Amma? Indra Pradosh? It should
Sir,
be
can
followed
you
by.
explain again, sir?
Can I explain once again?
Yes, sir.
Remember, if it is coming 5, 5 after definitely it must be a non-zero. If it is a 0, then it will never be add up 1. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, dot means again explain. Okay means okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Be very careful. So this 5 after it is non-zero means it is add up. If it is 0, we cannot be. Clear? Next. 4.352. Yes, please. How we can write?
4.
4.4.
4.
4.4. Clear? 4.35. 4.352. 4.4. Clear? Everybody? Yes? Next. 4.450. What is the answer?
4.4.
4.4 only. Clear, everybody?
Sir,
Yes,
if it odd number only we can change.
It's not that, Pradosh. Be very careful. This, if suppose 5 is coming, understand that. Second digit, then it should be followed by non-zero number. Then only it will be rounding off. Clear?
Sir, then how you changed 3.750 into 3.8?
Because this is here, and also that is, you have to remember, this is odd number, so that is why we can change. But here it is even number, so we cannot change. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ra? Everybody clear,
Sir,
ma?
clear, sir.
Understood? That is you have to remember. Any doubt? Anybody ask me? Now I will write to this. Be very careful. 4.350, 4.450. Now tell me, what is the answers?
Sir,
Sir,
4.4.
4.4.
4.3, 4.
This one. Tell me. This is odd
Sir,
number.
4.4.
This is odd number.
4.4.
This is odd number. So odd number means what? 4.4.
4.4.
This one. This is even number.
4.4.
4.4. Clear, everybody? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the importance of odd and even. Okay, brothers?
Sir, understood, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt in this, Laksha? So we have to see
No,
certain
sir.
rules. While rounding off, 5 must be followed by non-zero number, and before digit must be what? If it is odd, we can change. If it is even,
We cannot change.
Clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rudeshwar, doubt?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
That's all. So these are the rules for rounding off rules. So next, calculation in SF. That's a significant figures. Write it. Calculation in SF. So we'll use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all. So we have to be very, very careful with this. So calculations in significant figures. Right. The results of addition. The results of addition. Ishali, do you understand rounding off?
Yes, sir.
The results of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of measured values cannot be more accurate, than the current measurement. Current measurement means the significant rules what we have used. But compared to that, this and all, we cannot get the more measurements. Do you understand, everybody? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can take it for example, a plus b plus c. I am rounding off into some number. It is equals to r. So let us verify it. Addition and subtraction first, later multiplication and division. First, rules for addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of significant figures. So first, right. The result of add and subtraction is the result of add and subtract is rounded off the same number decimal places as present in the value with least decimal places. Read the definition, everybody. So we have to add and subtract, we can do, but rounding off to what? Rounding off to least decimals rounding off to the same number of decimals as present in the values with how many? Least, most, maximum or minimum? Minimum decimal places. Understand? Pradosh? Pradosh, clearer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question number 1. 2.24 plus 0.3. So now tell me the given numbers, who is having the least decimal places? Significant figures. Yes, please. 0.3 and 2.24. Who is having least decimal places?
0.3.
0.3. So we have to rounding off to how many? How many rounding off? We have to rounding off to how many
One.
figures? 1 or 2. We have to see number of decimal places as present in the value with the least decimal places. So we have to decimal into how many places? 1 or 2?
1.
1. Okay. So add these two. How much it will come? Add nicely, everybody.
2.5.
Make it first add 2.24. Next 0.30. So if we'll add 4, 5, 2, 2.54 will come. Is it yes or no? Everybody?
Sir.
Yes. Now tell me, is it right or wrong? 2.54 is a correct or wrong?
Sir, 2.5.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
2.54 is a correct or right or wrong? It is not.
Wrong.
Wrong.
It is not correct.
Not correct.
Why? Because
Sir,
we have
only
counting up to
one.
how many significant figures? How many
Only one.
one decimal?
Only one.
And verify it. 2 or 5 after. Next one is less than 4 is less than 5. Then what is the answer?
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. Understand, Aswita?
Yes, sir.
Next. Question number 2. Can I say Laksha?
Yes, sir.
0.331 plus 1.12 plus 0.03. Yeah. So identify least decimals and rounding off and let me know the answer. Everybody. Least decimals.
Sir, 1.48.
1.48.
Yeah, 1.48. Very good. If you add it 0.331, 1.12, of course, is not there. I will put 0. Next 0.03. What is the minimum decimals?
2.
How many decimals? 2 decimals. Given numbers, 2 decimals is the minimum. So then I will go with that. What will come? 1 here.
1.
6 plus
4.
8 here. 4 plus
4.
1.481. But minimum rounding of decimals, how many? We have to
2.
rounding off to 2 or 3 are rounding off.
2.
Rounding off to 2. So now verify it. Rounding off to 2 means 4, 8 is there. Third digit is less than 5. So what is the rounding off?
1.48.
1.48. That's all. Clear, everybody? Any doubt? Next,
Sir.
add total mass of box plus diamond. So let me take for example, I am giving one box I have given. Inside it is we are having a diamond. So inside we are having a diamond. So be very careful, everybody. So diamond is 1.32 grams. Okay. And box is 1.4 kg grams. Now question is total mass of the box plus diamond. Total mass of box plus diamond. So this is what my question. So let me find it. Who will find it? 1.4 kg plus 1.32 grams. So it is in kg, it is in grams. Just add it and tell me how much it will come totally. I have to make it into what? Kg, convert into grams. So 1.4 kg plus 1.32 into 1 gram equals how many kgs, Ra? 1 by 1000.
1000.
1 by
So which is
1000.
equals to 1.4 kg plus this one 0.3 digits before it will come. Then how much it will come? 0.013132 kilogram. Is it right or wrong, Aswita? Decimal will go to 3 digits before. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now add it both. How much it will come? Rose, add it. 1.4 and next one is 0. 0.00132. This kilogram, this kilogram. So how much it will come? It will come 1.4. This is 4.1. So what is the least number of digits? Decimals. Decimals, least decimals. 1. So how much answer?
1.4.
1.4 kg only. That's all. Clear, Amma? Rounding off to how many decimals? 1 decimal. Clear? Everybody?
Yes.
Any
Sir,
doubt?
in gram, that means we have to round off to 2, sir.
Gram we cannot take. Gram you take means it will be rounding off to 2. Based upon the options, Rudreshwar. So let me take, if you want options, I'll give. Option A, 1.40132. Option B, 1.401. Option C, 1.4. Option D, 1. Then what is the correct answer?
1.4.
1.4. Clear, everybody? Next. 5.8 into 10 to the power of 4 minus 1.5 into 10 to the power of 3. Let it be. Who will solve first? Be very careful. We have to first, when we are subtracting the things, power should be same. Power should be same. Be very careful. Then only we can bring the power outside. So 1.5 into 10 power 3, I can write it some other thing. Can you tell me how I can write? 5.8 into 10 power 4 minus. Yes, brothers.
0.15 into
Very good. 0.15 into 10 power 4. Very good.
23.4.
Then I can put 10 power 4 in outside. So I can write it inside. 5.8 minus how much? 0.15.
0.15.
Then which is equals to how many significant figures? Minimum. Check it, everybody. 1. So
1.
you have done this, answer will get something like 5.6 into 10 power 4. Right or wrong? Verified. Am I right? You will get, basically you will get
Yes, sir.
like 5.8. This one is 0.15. You'll get the answer like this. 5 point verified. 5
Sir,
point
5.65.
yes.
65.
Oh, okay. This is 0, correct. 5.65 will come. Now tell me. So what is the answer? 5.7 or 5.6?
7.
6.
5.6.
5.6 or 5.7?
Sir, 6 only.
7.
Why 5.7 cannot? Anybody?
Because
Sir,
the
even
decimal
number.
numbers
5 after what should be there?
0.
Odd number.
0.
0 not. If it is 0 also there also, actually 6 is the what? Even number, odd number?
Even.
Number.
even number.
Even.
So you cannot be rounding off. So be very careful. Whenever you are getting like this, all of you understand. If the third digit is 5, then before number must be a what number? It must be a odd number.
Odd.
And the next number should not be a what? Should not be a 0. It must be a non-zero. Is it okay, everybody? Rudreshwar? That is. So now we are having 6 here. And of course, we don't have any digit after 5. So it is an even number. So even number means rounding of what? 5.6 or 5.7? 5.6.
5.6.
Okay. Aswita, if you return 5.7, entire answer is wrong. Clear? Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is what. Be very careful. Then multiplication and division we'll see tomorrow, and directly we'll go to the next concept called as error analysis. So this is what about the today's class. Is it interesting, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then tomorrow we'll go to the error analysis. Maximum types of error analysis is very, very important. So once the error analysis is over, then we will start solving the questions which are related to that. So very, very important thing. Almost if it is over, then almost this first chapter is completely over. Okay. Hope you all understanding or not. That's what is very important.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. Ask me, ma'am. Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Okay. Then till here you practice it. Anything doubt you can ask me tomorrow when you are free. Remaining questions try to solve it. Is it okay, brothers? Try to finish it every question perfectly. You solve. Don't see the answer. Think and solve. If you have any doubt, then you just refer the answer. Is it okay, guys? Answer is there means just namesake. Don't solve. You try because Now only few people are there. So you have surplus time and your mind will be little advanced than class 10th now. So 100% you people can do better. That's what my opinion. Okay. So thank you everybody. Good night. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.